Hey everyone, it's Courtney with BDS Suspension, and behind me is our military-themed truck, better known as the General. This Ford F-250 Super Duty was made not only to haul our Jeeps out to Moab, but to wheel the trails as well. Under the hood of this truck, we have a 6.7 Power-Stroke diesel engine that we modified a little bit with an EasyLink performance tune. We added a cold air intake by Air Raid and a Jammo 4-inch exhaust that makes this truck sound like a fighter engine when it takes off. On the front of this truck, we've got a Royalty Core mesh grille, Fab 4 bumper, Vision X Cannon lights, a Warren winch, and Factor 55 accessory. Moving along to our wheels and tires. So we went ahead and got a set of 17-inch Black Rhino Armory wheels. These go along great with the military theme of this truck. We went ahead and wrapped them in some Mickey Thompson 37-inch tires. These are actually the Baja Boss MT tires, which is a brand new tire for Mickey Thompson, and it's been great out on the trails. To fit this wheel and tire combo, we outfitted the General with our BDS 4-inch Radius Arm Coilover system. The Radius Arm option is a new addition to what we currently offer for the Ford Super Duties. To keep our rear axle in check, we added our Recoil traction bar. Up front, we added the dual steering stabilizer, and then for additional performance, a Fox coilover so that we can handle anything on and off-road. To help with rear ride height when towing, we installed a set of Airlift Airbags that can be controlled from the inside of the cab. Now I'm a pretty short person, so having these amp research steps to get into this truck is a big help. We left the interior of this truck pretty stock. The two-tone tan color really worked out with the military theme of this truck, so we've been kind of happy with it. On the bed of this truck, we've got an X-Tane Revolution tonneau cover. It really helps to keep our stuff safe out of the weather. Now with all these parts put together, this truck is one serious tow rig that we can use and abuse out on the trails. Well guys, thanks for hanging with us. For more on BDS Suspension, follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook in order to see all of the BDS equipped Jeeps and trucks. We'll see ya. Is this on? You see this sweat?
It's like 100 degrees.
This is like, it's getting hotter faster. Don't fly away. The tire. 17-inch Baja Blast 37s. This is the Baja Blast.
I'm just gonna go ahead and mention that we are not endorsing Pepsi products in this video.